So again, with the Columbia 1314, we're going to find the lower third of the shank, which means our handle is going to be cockeyed. Hold the handle in a palm grasp. And again, I'm going to start at the heel, line my stone up at parallel to the lower third of the shank. That's 90 degrees, then open to 110. Up and down, and then always finish with the downstroke. And then the middle, 90 degrees, 110. If you open more than 110, you will be creating a cutting edge along the backside of the instrument, and it will be very difficult to adapt properly. And now I'm going to do the opposite cutting edge. So I turned my toe away from me. Flip it and do the opposite end. And looking for the lower third of the shank, parallel to the stone or perpendicular to the floor, and my handle's coming out the opposite way. Starting at 90 degrees and then opening to 110. And notice the sludge on the face of the instrument, sign that you're sharp, or your instrument is sharp, I guess. And then I'm going to turn it the opposite direction and hold it down where I can see into the face, starting at the heel, middle, and toe, 90, 110. And the more frequently that you sharpen your instruments, the less of the cutting edge is going to be removed, and therefore your instruments are going to last longer because you're not cutting down the size of the blades as quickly.